Hello, welcome to today's chemistry class. A very good morning to all of you. How are you all? Yes, happy to know that all of you are keeping good. How is the corona situation in your area? Is it calm? Is it normal? Yes, I wish and I hope that this COVID situation will be ending soon and we'll be meeting together in our school. Okay, now let me ask you one more thing. Are you learning from online classes? Are you enjoying the learning online classes? Yeah, whatever it is, you have to study, okay? So education system is not going to end. So you have to study some way, you have to learn knowledge. So all the best for your future. So coming to the future, class, we are going to discuss about a new topic in chemistry. That is, which is a very precious thing we are using day to day life. Yes, we are going to study about water. We are going to study about water. So, before moving into the chapter in detail, let me ask you one thing. Why are we studying about water? What is the necessity to study about water in this class? Yes, for that we should know the importance of water. As I have told, it is the most precious thing what we are having, and it is like our earth's 1/3 of our earth is made up of water. Human beings and all the living beings, not only human beings, birds, wildlife, everybody is using water. So water is so much important. Actually, the origin of life is based on the water. Actually, whatever our body need water for living, so water is that important. Now, which are the sources from which we get water? Yes, rainwater is the most important and primary source of water. What about other sources? River is there, of course river is there. Then sea, lake, pond, well, etc., etc., etc. Right. So now we understood what are the importance of water. Now we understood one more thing, which are the sources by which we get water. Okay. Is it clear for you? Okay. Now I just want to give you an activity. Please open your notebooks and write down. The first question is, what is the importance of water? The second question is, which are the sources by which we get water? And the third question is, what are the uses of water? Give me some day-to-day life uses of water. Okay, the first question I am asking you to write the importance of water. Importance. Second one I am asking you to write is sources. Sources of water. And the third thing I am asking you to write is about uses of water. That means day-to-day life uses of water. Yes, write down. I will be giving you 3 minutes. Yes. Hope you all of you have written the answers. Now I want you to read the answer. Yes. First we are going to discuss about importance. Importance we have already discussed. You just want to note down in your notebook. Like, what is the importance? It is the major part for the existence of life, human life, wildlife, birds, everything. And our earth, 1/3 of our earth is made up of water. Then what else? What else? Yeah, our human body need water. We need water for drinking. Whatever thing is, we need water. Water is very important. And what are the sources? That also is discussed. That is, from the river, from the lake, from the pond, from the sea, from the rain, and all we get water. Now, what are the uses of water? Day-to-day life uses of water. Yes? Yes, we use water for the cooking purpose. We use water for the cleaning purposes. We use water for washing clothes. We use water for preparing food. We use water for agricultural purposes. We use water for preparation of electricity and all. In power stations we use water. Then what else? Tell me a little more uses of water. Yes, water is everywhere, right? Everywhere we use water. So now we have discussed about the uses of water also. Okay, so this first portion is clear for you now. Actually this you already know. We just discussed about the things. We were sharing our knowledge, previous knowledge. Nothing is there so much to study and all. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the characteristics of water. We are going to see some of the features of water. Okay, some of the characteristics of water. The first one we are going to discuss is about boiling point. The first one is boiling point. Okay. So, in order to discuss about this boiling point in detail, we are going to conduct an experiment. Are you ready to do the experiment? Yes. For that, we need a RB flask. We need, one second. We need a RB flask. RB flask means round bottom flask. Its bottom is round. So, that is RB flask. Okay. In that, we are taking water. We are taking water inside that. And also, we are putting a thermometer. We are keeping a thermometer inside the RB flask. Not the point that the bulb of the thermometer should be immersed inside the water. That is the point you have to notice. That is, the bulb of the thermometer should be immersed inside the water. So this one is thermometer. We are having thermometer, and this one is RB flask. We are having water inside it. Okay. Now, what we have to do is, we have to measure the reading in the thermometer. We are going to measure the reading in the thermometer. It will be like some 27 degrees Celsius, or okay, let it be 27 degrees Celsius. That is the room temperature. Okay, when we are measuring the thermometer, we got 27 degrees Celsius. 27 degrees Celsius. Now, what we are doing is, we are heating. We are heating the RB flask. We are providing heat to the RB flask. After some time, what we can see, no? Can you guess what can we see? Is there any rise in temperature? Yeah. Let us see. After some time, this 27 degrees Celsius, what you have seen, no? It will be increasing. After some time, it becomes 37, then 47. Like that, it increased, and it reaches to a level that is 100 degrees Celsius. It reaches to the level which is 100 degrees Celsius. After reaching 100 degrees Celsius, no, it becomes stable. It becomes constant. It did not increase further. So this 100 degrees Celsius, at that time we can see this water will be boiling. At that time, the water which is filled inside the RB flask will be boiling. So this 100 degrees Celsius is known as the boiling point of water. It is known as the boiling point of water. And at that time, as I told, the water will be boiling and steam will be produced. Steam will be produced. So what do you mean by the boiling point? Yes. Boiling point is the temperature at which the water is converted into steam. There, a change in transition takes place. Liquid to gas. The water is liquid in state. I said it is converted into steam. So, liquid to gas, a phase transition takes place. There is a phase transition takes place from liquid to gas. Okay, then once again, what is the boiling point? Boiling point is the temperature at which the water or liquid state is converted into gaseous state. And the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, now let me ask you one thing. If I am increasing the heat again and again, Again and again, if I am providing the heat, is there any change in this 100 degrees Celsius? No, right? There will not be any change in 100 degrees Celsius. Then where is this heat going? We are again and again we are providing the heat. Once again I will show you. Again I am providing the heat, even though there is no increase in temperature. There is no increase in temperature. So before that I have to pull the thermometer from the water and see the reading. Then also we get 100 degrees Celsius. So outside the water also there is 100 degrees Celsius, and here inside the water it's 100 degrees Celsius. Whatever heat we are giving also, there is no rise in the temperature. It will be 100 only. It is because, then where is this heat going? Yeah, I said some water vapors are produced. So this extra energy which is giving is used for the change in transition, change of phase from the liquid to gas. That is, it is used for the steam. Okay, it is used by the steam. So in the steam it will be 100 degrees Celsius plus some more heat which is we are providing. That is why the burn which is caused by steam is more than that of the burn which is caused by hot water. Yes, that is right, no? Have you experienced while working in the kitchen and all? The heat, the burn which is produced by the steam is greater than that of the steam burn which is produced by the water. Now, have you understood this? Now, you just go and watch a video and come back.
Change of state and specific latent heat. Specific latent heat is the amount of heat energy required to change the state of a unit mass of a substance without change in temperature. The word latent means dormant or concealed. Let's perform an activity to find out why the heat energy required to bring about a change of state is called latent heat. Take some ice cubes in a beaker. Suspend a thermometer into the ice cubes and note its temperature. The temperature is 0 degrees centigrade. Heat the ice cubes. Record the temperature after every minute. Keep stirring the ice-water mixture constantly so that the temperature is uniform throughout. We observe that the thermometer reading remains constant at 0 degrees centigrade, though heat is being constantly supplied. The temperature remains constant till the ice completely melts to water at 0 degrees centigrade. Continue heating water which is at 0 degrees centigrade. We observe that the temperature is increasing. Record the rise in temperature till the water starts boiling. Continue heating. The boiling water gets converted to steam. Observe that the thermometer reading remains constant at 100 degrees centigrade, which is the boiling point of water. That is, there is no change in temperature. This shows that the temperature remains constant whenever there is a change of state. What happens to the energy supplied? The energy supplied is used to break the intermolecular force of attraction existing between the molecules, and therefore the thermometer does not register a rise in temperature whenever there is a change of state. Since the energy supplied is not recorded in the thermometer, the heat supplied is called latent heat. Graph shown here represents the changes taking place when ice at 0 degrees centigrade is heated.
So, have you seen the video? It is nice, no? So, I guess now you got an complete information about water, its properties and all. Okay, now I just want you to write some questions. The first question boiling point of water? What is the boiling point of water? Open your notebook and write down. The first question is, what is the boiling point of water? Okay, what is the boiling point of water? The second question is, heat produced by steam or the burn produced by the steam is more effective or more consequent than that of the heat produced by burn produced by the water. What is the reason? Yes, these two questions you have to write. I'll be giving you 2 minutes. Yes. Okay, hope you all of you are written. So the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. We already know, right? It is 100 degrees Celsius. What about why this heat produced by burn produced by the steam is more? Because the extra energy whatever we are giving is utilized by the steam. It is utilized by the steam. So the steam is having 100 degree plus the heat, extra heat we are giving. That is why the burn which is produced by the steam will be more than that of the burn which is produced by the hot water. Okay. Now, finally, I just want to discuss with you one more thing. One more thing I just want to discuss with you. Which are the different states of water? Tell me, which are the different states of water? States of water? That is, yes, solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas. Am I right? Yes. Solid state of it is ice. Solid state of water is ice. Liquid is H2O. Like we already know that. And what about gas? It is steam. Gas means it is steam. So we discussed about states of matter, that is solid, states of water, that is solid, liquid and gas. That is solid to ice, liquid means H2O and gas means steam. So hope all of you have understood about the introductory part of water and the property boiling point of water. And now I just want to give you an homework, an assignment. What you have to do is just open your notebook and write down the homework. You just want to make a list of what are the uses of water, what are the sources from which we get water. This list you have to make. And one more thing is, you have to write a note on boiling point of water. You have to write a note on boiling point of water. That property you have to write a note. So that's all for today's topic. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class. Bye.